Find the limits of limit of square root of y cubed minus 27 over y square minus 9 as y approaches to 2. For our solution, first we will rewrite the equation as square root of limit of y cubed minus 27 over y squared minus 9 as y approaches to 2. You will notice that y cubed minus 27 is factorable for sum and difference of two cubes, and y square minus 9 is also factorable as sum and difference of two squares. Formula of sum and difference of two cubes. A cube minus b cube equals a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b squared. Formula for sum and difference of two squares. A square minus b square equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Therefore, y cubed minus 27 equals y minus 3 multiplied by y square plus 3y plus 9. For y square minus 9 equals y plus 3 multiplied by y minus 3. Now substitute this in equation. We will have square root of limit of y minus 3 multiplied by y square plus 3y plus 9 over y minus 3 multiplied by y plus 3 as y approaches to 2. Cancel out y minus 3. We will have square root of limit of y square plus 3y plus 9 over y plus 3 as y approaches to 2. Now substitute the value of y in the equation as in Rule 2. Equals 2 square plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 9 over 2 plus 3 equals square root of 19 over 5 as our final answer. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to Marlin Technic TV.